Hey y'all, welcome back to another Tuesday Tips and Tricks. We are back again this week to show you another collection of our containers. This week we have our 3 Libbey Cube Jars. These are very popular containers. They're a really nice, heavy-duty, thick glass, and they have a nice, heavy bottom, which a lot of people like. We don't have any lids or covers that fit these containers, but all the same, these are a very popular container with our customers. Now, since they do all have different diameters, they are going to need different sized wicks. So for the 7.25 ounce, for a soy container wax, we would recommend using the Eco 8. This has a 2.875 inch wide diameter. And then if you're using a single pour paraffin, we would recommend using an LX20. For the 14 ounce, this has a 3.5 inch wide diameter. And for a soy container wax, we would recommend using an Eco 14. And for the single pour paraffins, you can use an LX24 or you can double wick using 2 of the LX16s. And on square containers, instead of centering the wicks like this, we typically recommend doing them diagonal so you can make sure that the wax in the corners gets melted completely. And then for the big 22 ounce here, the diameter for this container is 4 inches. And so we would recommend using 2 Eco 4s for a soy container wax. And then for paraffin, you can try the LX28. However, I have found that sometimes it can be kind of difficult to get those corners in these square containers. So I would actually recommend using 2 of the LX18s. And again, you're going to center those on the bottom of your jar diagonally to really get into the corners there. Okay, that's going to be it for this week, guys. Come back next week and we'll show you more.